In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit access and export logs in Zoho Vault. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see who did what, when, and from where, and how to archive those records for compliance or investigation. First, let's look at the built-in audit logs. Zoho Vault automatically records tamper-proof trails for sensitive actions across your organization. You'll find categories for passwords or secrets, such as creation, deletion, modification, and ownership changes. There are logs for folders, also called chambers, covering creation, changes, and related actions. You'll also see users and groups, which includes user additions, removals, access changes, and emergency contacts. Admin and other captures password policy changes, fine-grained controls, and other admin-level operations. If you're a super admin, you'll also see a super audit category for operations related to viewing or exporting audits and reports themselves. To access these logs, sign in to Zoho Vault's web interface as an administrator or super admin. Open the admin console and go to the Audit section, typically under Settings, then Audit or Reports and Audit. From here, browse the sections for users, secrets, folders, and admin activities. Each entry shows what action occurred, who performed it, the timestamp, and the source IP address. Use this area for real-time visibility into sensitive activity. A practical tip: narrow your view by focusing on one category at a time and scan timestamps and IP addresses to quickly spot unusual patterns. Next, export your audit logs for external review or archiving. While you're in the audit section, navigate to the specific category or view you want to export, whether that's passwords, folders, user actions, or admin changes. Click the Export button, usually in the toolbar or the Action menu, then choose your preferred format, CSV or PDF. Download the file and store it on your local machine or a secure network share. Exports include detailed fields, such as the action performed, who performed it, when it happened, and additional context. This is helpful for compliance reporting, security reviews, and forensic investigations. And it also makes it easy to analyze data in spreadsheets or feed it into a CM. Finally, use reports for additional insights beyond raw logs. Zoho Vault offers visual summaries like user access to passwords, folder or chamber access, password policy compliance, and login activity and access trends. These give you a high-level view of your security posture over time. You can export these reports, often as PDF or Excel, to share with stakeholders or include in audit documentation. That's it. With the audit logs, exports, and reports, you can confidently monitor activity and keep a reliable record for audits and investigations.